and today I'm going to share with you another tasty and nutritious recipe using oat flour. I'm also going to link above oat flour cookies. So delicious, children love it, and oat flour is easy to make. If you haven't watched my video on oat flour, how to make homemade oat flour, I'm also going to link that one above so you can check it out and you'll be making your oat flour recipes in no time. Now let's go over the ingredients. We have 2 cups of oat flour, 4 fully ripe bananas. This is really important to have them fully ripe to make it nice and sweet. 1 tablespoon of baking powder, 1/4 cup of oil. I'm using vegetable oil today, but you can use any other oil that you want. Teaspoon of baking soda, a pinch of salt, 1/4 cup of honey. This is important to get that nice flavor. 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract to heighten our flavor as well. 4 eggs. Now, if you have really large eggs, then you can use 3 of them. And blueberries. I'm going to put all of our dry ingredients together. So we have our oat flour, we have our baking powder, baking soda and salt, and cinnamon. And we're going to take a whisk and we're going to mix everything together. Make sure everything is fully incorporated. Baking powder, baking soda, salt, and cinnamon fully mixed with our oat flour. On to our wet ingredients. So we're going to get the bananas. Make sure your bananas are really ripe, nice and soft. Whoa. Once they're really soft, really ripe, they're going to be very sweet. So we're going to get our bananas and then we're going to add the other ingredients. I'm going to crush our bananas, then we'll add the other ingredients. We're going to add all 4 of the eggs to the mixture. Then we'll add the other ingredients. This is the last one, so we've added our eggs. Gonna add our honey. Gonna add the oil. And we're gonna add our vanilla extract. And mix everything together. Then once we have everything fully combined, we're gonna add our wet ingredients and our dry ingredients together. Our dry ingredients to our wet ingredients. I'll do it in 2 portions. Make sure everything is fully combined. So I'm using a whisk now. The beautiful thing about oat flour is that when it absorbs the liquid, it gets thicker. So we're gonna add the remaining dry mixture and fully combine. It's really feeling thick. And our last ingredient will be our blueberries to make this amazing banana and blueberry cake. This is perfect for diabetics, pre-diabetics, persons who are gluten intolerant, or you just want to eat healthy. Now we're going to go ahead and we're going to put it in our baking tray. So I'll ask you to preheat your oven at this time to 250 degrees Celsius. For them. And then I'll add some more blueberries to the top. Ready to put our bread in the oven. So I'm gonna just remove this excess parchment paper. I don't like to see extra paper hanging around. Now, ready for the oven. Our banana blueberry cake is done. I'm going to allow it to cool for a few moments. We're going to take it out of the baking tin and we're going to taste. So I'm going to take 1 slice here right at the end. Right through those tasty looking berries. smells so good. So tasty, so fragrant, and if you get a bite with those blueberries, you wouldn't miss the sugar at all. Banana blueberry cake, now you need to try it. If you have enjoyed watching this video, I want you to look over here, see some of my other videos, and once you've watched them all, click the button below, subscribe, and press the notification bell so you're notified every time I post a video. And remember to leave me a comment. I love hearing from you.